Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're cooking chicken thighs, bone-in cast iron. To begin, make sure you have seasoned chicken thighs, skinless with the bone-in, cooking oil, and a preheated cast iron pan. For this, I'm using a 9-inch pan. Once those items are ready and the pan is preheated, then you're good to go to get that chicken cooking on the pan. Place it down, bone side first, and then you flip it over to the other meaty side after the bone side has had a good long nice while to cook, and that's where most of your cooking is going to take place. The other side is going to be make sure it has nice color, nice texture, and great formation of the Maillard effect, which creates the caramelization to do exactly what you wish it to do. For the timing of the cooking of the chicken thigh, a smaller chicken thigh may only take 8 or 9 minutes, whereas a larger chicken thigh might take 12 to 13 minutes depending on the size. And again, you're going to spend a good 2/3 of the time on the bone-in side. That way that bone cooks all the way through, so that when you flip it over to finish it on the nice meaty presentation side, all you have to do is finish it off for the remaining 1/3 of the minutes, depending on the size of the chicken thigh that you're using, and it'll be good in combination and in ratio to create a nice, crispy, golden, juicy chicken thigh that is ready to be served at your leisure or used in food preparation. Do it yourself gourmet folks, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.